Imagine a world where nothing is as it seems. Where the people closest to you can turn out to be your worst enemies. Welcome to the world of true crime, where the lines between good and evil are blurred, and the truth is often more shocking than fiction. In this video, we'll be exploring the 5 most shocking true crime cases with jaw-dropping twists that will leave you speechless. From unexpected pregnancies to shocking betrayals, these cases are a testament to the complexity of human nature. Sharon Marshall was a 17-year-old high school student when she got pregnant. But instead of telling her boyfriend, she hid her secret and gave birth to a baby boy. She then allowed a wealthy couple from Texas to adopt the child, all while keeping her pregnancy a secret from her boyfriend and friends. Maura Murray was a 21-year-old nursing student who disappeared in 2004 after a car accident in Haverhill, New Hampshire. Despite an extensive investigation, her disappearance remains a mystery. Some believe she was abducted, while others think she may have faked her own death. In 1957, 2 sisters, Barbara and Patricia Grimes, were found murdered in a wooded area in Illinois. The case went cold, but in 2019, DNA evidence led to the arrest of a suspect. The case is still shrouded in mystery, with many questions remaining unanswered. In 1922, a family of 6 was brutally murdered on their farm in Germany. The case was highly publicized, but it wasn't until 2018 that DNA evidence led to the arrest of a suspect. The case is a testament to the complexity of human nature and the devastating consequences of betrayal. Between 1976 and 1986, a serial rapist and murderer terrorized California, committing over 50 crimes. The case went cold, but in 2018, DNA evidence led to the arrest of a suspect. The case is a chilling reminder of the devastating impact of crime on victims and their families. These 5 true crime cases are a testament to the complexity of human nature and the devastating consequences of crime. Join us next time as we explore more jaw-dropping true crime cases.